Hi, Georgina from Twinkl here, where we provide amazing resources and lesson videos to help all of those who teach. In today's video, I'm going to be taking a look at these brilliant postcard writing word mats that you can find on the Twinkl website. When you download this resource off our website, you'll find 4 different word mats, which will cover a range of activities that your children might have done whilst they're on holiday, including going to the seaside, going camping and even going to the zoo. On each word mat, you'll also find a range of important key vocabulary that your children can use when writing their postcard. For example, dear, from, but also what they liked and disliked to help them guide their writing. All your children need to do is pick the word mat that best suits them and their holiday. And as they're writing their postcard, see what key vocabulary that they could use from the word mats. And once your children have finished writing their postcard, why not create your very own postbox in your classroom, and then your children can send them off to whoever it's written to. If your children need more support on writing a postcard, why not download this brilliant PowerPoint off our website that is all about writing postcards? So why not download this resource now and encourage your children to write their very own postcard about their holiday. See you next time.